Pandhi will reach the top of our map area. There we are prepared the plaintive map. Australia, we are the first in GSI to prepare a plaintive map at such a altitude. I'm not sure, somebody else might have done before me, before us. And when we used to reach the top, it would be about my name. Second and I would take the staff, he would give a route shot, and we would note down the geology there for mapping. And later in the evening, we used to come and plot our geological data. He used to go on plotting the topographic data and prepare the topographic map, predictable map. I think the scale was 1:3,000. I don't know why we chose that 3,000 figure, but anyway, it was 3,000. But by the time it was about 1:30 or so, we had no lunch. So we had to carry only some hot tea or coffee, 2-3 thermos. And Vishwas used to be really in terrible state. Because second and I, we were walking up and down, so we were not feeling that cold that much. But Vishwas had to stand by the tin table. So he would go on pleading by 1 o'clock or so. Second day, sir, please stop. Now I can't work. My toes are freezing. So he would start walking there around the plane table to warm up his body. But second day I would say, Vishwas, you have to continue. A बहुत tough terrain है. We don't have much time. We have to map. और दो तो outcrop देखना है. Something like that. They will keep on shouting and exchanging. And I remember in that rarefied air, from even a